We're going outside. Show my husband mowing the yard with his new lawnmower he got. That's my son-in-law's car. It broke down. There's my doggies. Say hi, doggies. Hi. Hi. Lawnmower that croaked. Over there mowing. It's gonna be a bit. Maybe he'll just give up and say, fuck it. Look at it. I got all my bricks stacked up over here. Got a few more out there and the patio bricks to come up. Kitty cat under the tree taking a poop. Yeah. I think eventually he'll give up on that shit. I wouldn't mow it. Moving in a fucking week. Who gives a shit? Moving in a week. I'd do the front yard, the backyard, maybe right here in the front. I would call it a day. That's what I would do. Is that right, girls? That's what we would do. We'd just call it a day. You're moving in a week. Shit. Yeah, so we're moving in a week. Pretty much. I'm going to close in a week, actually. Mama's going to get some boxes. Mama needs boxes. Don't I? Say, Mama needs boxes. Hey, what you doing, Miss Ava? Miss Ava. Miss Gracie. Miss Ava. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hi, Miss Gracie. Hi. Hello, Miss Daisy. Hello. You said you've been outside too long? I'm sorry. It happens. It happens. It happens. You're not coming in right this second. I might let you in this second. Let you lay down. Take a nap with me or something.